Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to copy your data from Microsoft Word to Excel. So like I want to copy this table from Microsoft Word to Excel. Select this table and copy it. Open Microsoft Excel and paste here. You can paste with source formatting. So we have this table in now Microsoft Excel. Now you can adjust this table. So here the option in style, format as table, and you can select any style. Click on OK. If it not has the header, so unselect this one. And there are some more changes you can apply here. So thanks for watching.